Welcome to 3163 Sacramento Street. This is right across from the library in Pacific Heights. It's a high-end Pacific Heights location available for lease. And we have a 4-bedroom, 2-bath apartment that's been just refreshed and reimagined a bit. The first room here is quite large, and it has a bay window looking out onto the library across the street and onto Sacramento Street. There's high ceilings, hardwood floors that are newly refinished. And there's a closet. So a fairly substantial bedroom. Continuing down the hall, you have a bonus closet here, great for storage, and the first of 2 baths. The baths are all brand new. It's a fancy vanity, nice tile, and this one has a stall shower. Across from the bath is the small bedroom. Small, but not too small. Has a nice deep closet. There's plenty of room for any size bed. I would think a king would start to encompass the whole room. Continuing in, we go to the common space, which is an open living kitchen. And the kitchen portion is all brand new, has black granite countertops. An LG side-by-side. Bottom drawer freezer with ice maker and beverage service. You have a professional gas range by Samsung with hood, a new sink, and a Maytag stainless dishwasher. The cabinets and drawers are all self-closing. Nice white, fresh cabinets. And then across from your kitchen is the living space. Some recessed lighting. And a laundry room with brand new Samsung washer and dryer. Through the back door, it takes you down to a shared rear yard. You've got to get a little creative with your living room. Then the second full bath, I believe it's also brand new, and it has a gray quartz countertop. This one has the tub, a shower over. Nice big bathroom. The third bedroom is also quite large. And if you look down here, you'll see the shared yard. Closet. And the fourth bedroom is huge. It has some period wood paneling throughout, a box beam ceiling, sort of bay window and door, and it opens to an exclusive deck. It's a little windy out there today. So you have 3 large bedrooms, one small bedroom, laundry, new kitchen, common space, outdoor space, perfect Pacific Heights location. If you're interested in renting, 3163 Sacramento Street, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you.